Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to convert numbers stored as text to numbers. Unexpected outcomes can occur when numbers are stored as text. Choose a conversion option after selecting the cells. If that button isn't available, try the following. I will show you how to do it in 4 steps, so let's get started. Choose a column that has this issue. If you don't want to convert the entire column, you can choose one or more cells to convert. Just be sure the cells you select are in the same column, otherwise this process won't work. Select Text to Columns from the drop-down menu. Although the Text to Columns button is most commonly used to split a column, it can also be used to convert a single column of text to numbers. Click Text to Columns on the Data tab. For separating a column, the rest of the Text to Columns wizard steps are best. You can click Apply right away because you are simply translating text in a column and Excel will convert the cells. And the last step is to set the format. Press Ctrl+1 at the same time, then choose any format you like. I hope you enjoyed this Excel tutorial, and if you did, leave a like and comment down below on what should I teach you in the next video. But don't forget to subscribe with bell notification on and check out my Excel channel for more videos, and I will see you in the next video.